Welcome back. It's Tiana. It's evening. I wanted to share some tips on how to create a new look using Bantu knots. It's a different technique, but I'm not sure if you're familiar with it, but it's just like you're doing two different techniques to create a different look. So, and I've been getting a lot of compliments with this look. I did a video just recently on my interviewing, like how to interview for a job. So that's the look I'm duplicating. So guys, I already did my Bantu knot, so I'm gonna tell you what I do. The secret is to apply less water and less product. Because if you apply too much water, what's gonna happen is it's gonna shrink it a whole lot. If you apply too much product, it's not gonna it's not gonna set your curl like you want it to. It'll set it, but I think it affects it too, kind of, if I'm not explaining right. I'm gonna just say this. The less product the better. Don't overdo it. And so I'm just gonna basically just show you this new technique. And it's the same way, but it's a different way of doing it. But you're gonna get a defined curl. It's gonna look like you use your curling arms, like you set it. Okay, so let me show you. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a little water, which I just used from my faucet. I just add it just like that, like so. And a little of my cream. Okay, make sure the water is at the end because the water needs to be down here so it'll curl. So it's already got a curl pattern. This is pretty much twisted with a 2-strand twist. This is the technique I'm using. Twist it all the way down to the end. Okay, just like that, like so. Now, you're just gonna take it and Bantu knot it, just like you would normally do. And that's it. It's that simple. So take a rubber band and just place it down, and there you're happy. So this is the last of the hair. I'm just going to apply it all the way down to the ends. Apply a little product just to make sure it's moist in the morning. So that's basically all you have to do. Twist it to the end. And like I said, you add a little water at the bottom just to make sure that, and you twist it into a Bantu knot. Basically in a circle to it creates a knot. And you apply your rubber band. And I only use like one small rubber band. I'll show you in the morning, guys, how I remove the rubber bands. It's an easy, quick technique. Someone wanted me to show them at work. They wasn't quite understanding how I was telling them, so I'd rather show it so you can see. And basically, we do the whole process all over again. But technically, it's already got a curl pattern in it, so you're just retwisting it, but you're not doing a whole lot. Because originally, I blowed it out and started from fresh. Pretty much duplicating it. So I'll show you the final results in the morning so you can see the new reformed curl pattern that's what's up, guys. I'm back. Like I said, this is the end result of my tutorial today. This is basically just gonna take off the scarf. You take it and kind of pull it right. And then the rubber band just pop off. And then I just take it and unravel it. Is that the kind of technique that works for me? Basically, that's all you do is just take it apart, and once you get them all down, you just go in and just kind of separate the pieces. It's easy, 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 easy. Okay, so now you're just going to separate the pieces. And as you can see, still give you the same kind of look. At the bottom, you just kind of like comb it a little bit to get the orange back. And this look is very easy to, recreate. Like the edge control and just, that's it. Pretty much it too. Accentuate the look. See you in my next video. Have a good one.